Can you fathom how artificial intelligence and big data are revolutionizing the realm of intelligence agencies? The advent of AI-powered machine translation, big data analytics, and large language models have revolutionized the way data is collected from open sources such as social media and smartphones, generating enormous amounts of open-source intelligence. However, this wealth of information requires new contracting and technical approaches to fully harness its potential without being swamped by it, according to officials in the intelligence community. Randall Nixon, the director of the open source enterprise at the CIA, remarked, "It's amazing what's there. It also scares me. The next intelligence failure could easily be an OSINT failure, because there's so much out there." His words evoke the enormous challenges and opportunities that the surge in open-source intelligence has brought about. Casey Blackburn, Assistant Director for Emerging Technology at the Office of the Director of National Intelligence, stressed the need to integrate this open-source intelligence into existing work environments, citing that, as long as analysts have to separate their attention between multiple different terminals of unintegrated information, we will never take full advantage of open source. The obstacles, Blackburn emphasized, are not technological but stem from acquisition, process, and policy. Echoing these sentiments, Jason Barrett, the IC-wide open source intelligence executive at ODNI, stated that it's up to the government to start to change how we do our business. The issue is twofold: the sheer volume of agencies and individual analysts attempting to independently solve the problem, and the overwhelming number of OSINT providers competing for IC contracts. Kristen Wood, a former CIA official, recalled, "In the old days, you could go and set up relationships with companies and do a one-on-one contract. There's 2 or 3 or 4 or 500 companies that have value to bring to the open source space." This massive growth has been largely facilitated by technology. The term open source intelligence, which previously brought to mind an individual with binoculars or a radio, is now synonymous with big business and high technology. Companies like Recorded Future have been at the forefront of this wave, capitalizing on the proliferation of smartphones, breakthroughs in deep learning algorithms, and the rise of cloud computing. Today, Recorded Future boasts over 1,700 clients worldwide, including over 30 governments and more than 200 of the Forbes Global 500 companies. This private sector demand is increasingly important for OSINT companies, creating yet another complication for government agencies, as the pricing schemes for today's OSINT are often punitive for federal customers. In conclusion, the impact of AI and big data on intelligence agencies is profound. It presents both challenges and opportunities, requiring new approaches to acquisition, process, and policy. The surge in open-source intelligence has led to a shift in the business models of intelligence agencies and a revolution in the way information is collected and processed. As we grapple with the sheer volume of available data, the question remains, how can we best harness this wealth of information without being overwhelmed by it?